Well, good morning. We have another room to show you today that's for rent. I'm Angela.
And I'm Steve.
And we are Midlife Cruising. We live full-time on a residential cruise ship, and we have a YouTube channel called Midlife Cruising. Now we have a second channel, the one you're watching now. It's called Villa Vie Odyssey Rentals. And we have another request from an owner of 3152. It's an interior room, super conveniently located. Let me show you on the map. Here's deck 3. The room is right here. So go up the stairs to deck 4 and you have the main dining room. We often go in and out here on embark and disembark days, so it's super convenient. One more floor, you have the Coral Club and the buffet. So 3152 is an interior room. It's kind of mid-aft because there's so much space back here. Great location. So we're going to show you that room, but first we are headed to breakfast. So we're going to leave the main dining area now after our lovely breakfast. We had some yummy coffee. And here's deck 4. And now we're going to pop down to 3152. Let's go check it out. There's also an elevator over there if you prefer the elevator. But look how convenient this is. And we're here. 3152. You're going to see it with me for the first time. I have not seen it yet. So we're going to go in, turn the lights on, and show it to you. Ooh, all lit up. Look at this. Someone knew I was coming. So let's check it out. This is going to be a single occupancy at only $125 a night. You heard that right, $125. If you want double occupancy, you'll need to reach out to the owner and discuss that. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 end tables. Oh, 8. Here's another one. A little excessive. Not sure what's going on with that. I'm sure if there's too many for you, you can have some removed. Refrigerator over there. I do know a renter just left here, so I'm sure you could rearrange it however you want. TV, we could fix those cords. It's pretty bare. The owner is not here renting it out, and she's coming aboard, I believe, late October. So this is actually available right now. So you definitely want to reach out, come join us. Okay, this room has not been cleaned, the bathroom. But that's okay. We'll get it ready for you with some fresh clean towels. You know what the bathrooms look like here. So again, this is room 3152. Let me back up. This must be maybe the owner's stuff, owner's closet. So we're going to assume that's not available. Definitely best for single occupancy. So we'll say that's the owner's closet, and then this is for you. There's enough room for about 30 hangers. All right, we have a desk here. So many mirrors. I need to get out of this space. So again, this one is available right now, all the way up through October 28th when she returns. If those dates change in the future, just check the description. I will update it there. But this room, again, is available right now through October 28th, 2025. The price is $125 a night for single occupancy. We're on deck 3, room 3152. You will need to reach out to the owner via WhatsApp. So the owner is from Budapest, so I definitely suggest you write very clearly. She can Google Translate or do the best she can to make sure you guys are communicating effectively and correctly. But she'd love to rent her room out until she returns October 28th, 2025. If you can just come aboard for a month, say the entire month of September, that's okay too. But definitely reach out to this owner and see if you guys can work something out. She can share the itinerary and location of the ship during that time.